Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make today's craft. So today we are adopting a puppy. So you get to make your very own puppy so you can read to him at home. So this is the same concept as Madeline, Finn, and the library dog. So just like Madeline reads to Bonnie, you guys can practice reading aloud to your puppy. So in your packets, you have two options. You can pick between the cute little golden retriever or the white Labrador. I think I'm going to pick the golden retriever puppy. So what you want to do first is make a puppy bed. Since our puppy likes to be read to, we want something soft for them to lay on. So in your packets, you have a handout that goes over all the things your puppy does while you read to them, and the great benefits you get when you read aloud. So we need to make our bed first for our puppy to lay on. So you have two color options to choose from. So pick the color that you want to be on the top of your puppy bed, and then you can go ahead and decorate that. So be as creative as you want here. You can use crayons, markers, you can cut out pictures from magazines and glue them to the top, whatever you guys prefer to do. So we can go ahead and get started. Okay, after you guys are all done decorating the top of your puppy's bed, then we want to put in the little cushion to make our puppy's bed nice and soft. So in your packages, you have some cotton, and you can use that to put as the filling for your puppy's bed. But if you don't have the cotton, you can use anything that you have at home, some tissue paper, some napkins, anything that you have that's soft, and you can go ahead and use that for the filling. So what I'm going to do first is put some glue down on the paper so that way I can glue the cotton to the paper so it doesn't move, and then I'm going to put the bed on top and then tape that together. Okay, so for this part in your packet, you should have a nice roll of tape, but if you didn't get one, any tape will work. And then we're going to tape the sides of the bed so that it sticks together. Okay, so now we have a nice soft puppy bed for your pup to lay on. The next thing we're going to do is cut the outline of our puppy. So now that our puppy is all cut out, we want to have him lay on the bed. But your puppy needs something to keep warm, so we're going to give him a blanket. So go ahead and fold it and glue it to the top of the bed, and then place your puppy on top. And you can do this in any order. If you don't want to do it that way, you can just glue your puppy to the bed and then place the blanket on top. But I'm going to put the blanket down first, and then I'm going to cut a hole around so that our puppy pokes through, and then I'm going to put the tissue paper around so that it keeps our puppy nice and warm. Okay, so now we're all finished. Our puppy is nice and cozy and warm on their bed. Now you can officially adopt your puppy. In your packet, you have an adoption certificate. You can go ahead and write your puppy's name and then sign it, date it, and then have it be signed by a witness, which could be your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, whoever is near you. And then you're officially done. You have now adopted your puppy. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this craft and have fun with it, and let me know how it goes. See you guys soon.